Hello, I am Stefan Kind from Unigraf. In this video, I will introduce Unigraf's UCD-424 USB-C test equipment. I will explain how to verify and change the USB-C interface configuration using the UCD Console software. UCD-424 is a USB-C and DisplayPort alternate mode generator and analyzer. UCD-424 can be used for testing USB-C transmitters like smartphones, tablets, and laptop PCs. It can also be used to test receivers like monitors, virtual reality headsets, or display adapter dongles. UCD-424 supports video resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz. By using UCD-424, and UCD Console software, you can test all USB-C interface functions and DisplayPort alternate mode. UCD Console is the graphical user interface for all Unigraf's UCD family test equipment. The UCD Console includes a pattern generator function to source video and audio, and a capture function to monitor and store received content. With UCD Console, the user can monitor the status of the USB-C interface and DisplayPort alt mode. UCD Console has dedicated dialogues for controlling all UCD-424 functions. The event log enables monitoring USB-C power delivery protocol handshake and DisplayPort aux channel messaging. In this video, we will use UCD-424 in Analyzer role as a DisplayPort alt mode sync device to test a USB-C smartphone. We will show you how to verify the status of the USB-C connection and DisplayPort alt mode. We will explain how to change USB-C lane configuration and how to verify the changes in USB-C connection and DisplayPort alt mode status. Let us get familiar with UCD-424 test equipment. UCD-424 has two USB-C test ports. The one marked with DPTX is connected to the internal pattern generator and is dedicated to test DP sync devices. The other, marked with DPRX, is connected to the internal frame grabber and is intended for testing DP source devices. USB high-speed data can be tested with pass-through from one connection to the other. The two test ports can be found on the front panel of UCD-424. The one on the right is DPTX for testing DP syncs, and the one on the left is DPRX for testing DP sources. To test USB high-speed data in pass-through, please connect a memory stick to the opposite port for data reading and writing. Let us start the test and connect the smartphone to UCD-424. Once connected, the UCD-424 starts capturing video sent by the smartphone. The captured video can be monitored in UCD Console. Let us go to the UCD Console's USB-C tab and Roles and Modes dialog. In the status panel, we can see that the smartphone and UCD-424 agreed and established a DP alt mode connection, where all four high-speed lanes are dedicated for DisplayPort use. Let us go to the Link tab, which shows in detail the status of DisplayPort alt mode. The array of green LEDs indicates that link training in all four lanes has been successful. The error count registers shows us that there are no link character errors. In the stream status panel, we can confirm that the used video mode is as expected. In the CRC panel, we can monitor that CRC, the checksum of the video frame pixel data, is as expected and stable. In the previous example, DisplayPort utilized all 4 USB-C high-speed data lanes. In this 4-lane configuration, the whole DisplayPort's capacity can be used, and up to 8K uncompressed video can be transported. USB-C allows a 2+2 lane configuration where only 2 lanes are used for DisplayPort and the other 2 lanes are used for USB high-speed data. In this configuration, DisplayPort can carry uncompressed video up to 4K, but the advantage is the simultaneous data transfer capability. Please note that it will not be possible to test the 2 separate lane configurations using a monitor as a test sink. Normally, you cannot control the way a monitor allocates its data lanes. Okay, let us see one way of configuring the UCD-424 in a way that 2+2 lane mode will be selected. As we originally saw, 4-lane configuration was used. In the DP Alt Mode Capabilities panel, we will now indicate that UCD-424 supports both 4-lane and 2+2 lane configurations. We will also change multi-function preferred bit in UCD-424's configuration data register. If the tested smartphone also supports the 2+2 lane configuration, the parties should now select 2+2 lane configuration when reconnected. We saw that the parties renegotiated and now entered to the requested 2+2 lane configuration. In the Link tab, we can now see that DisplayPort is only using 2 lanes and that the link training has been successful. We can see that there are no link character errors. We can see that the video mode did not change as expected. In the CRC panel, we can make sure that the captured signal is stable. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You can find more videos and other material from Unigraf's website, unigraf.fi. If you have any questions about the test, UCD-424 test equipment, or other Unigraf products, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.